and welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm at this local park with my Kraton 4S. I'm here on my own. Big Al's a bit busy this weekend, so I've come on my own just to test this Kraton. The hope is to jump off these banks here and land in that field further back. Now there's a football game on at the minute, so I've just got to be careful. There's a lot of people about. It's a nice warm day here in the UK at the minute, like 15 degrees C. Changes to the Kraton. All I've done is put the punch up to level 9, and I have took the centre diff out and put 1.5 ear plugs in there with around about 50k to finish it off to get the consistency I want. I don't know what that would equivalent to in maths, but yeah, it's a lot thicker anyway, so that should help because we're getting a lot of bleed out to the front wheel, so that should help a lot. But other than that, last bash I broke this hinge pin, or bent the hinge pin. I have now got some on order from M2C, so I'm going to do the M2C hinge pin mod where you drill out the front here a little bit more. But for now, I'm just going to run them on the stock ones. It's a warm day, so hopefully, not that it has any effect on metal, but it shouldn't have any plastic breakages, hopefully. So it's only going to be a short video, short run, and yeah, we'll see how it goes, guys. Let's do it. Not enough for a backflip. Not enough for a backflip, really.
Some power that is.
Oh, this. Yeah. Flip side RC. Yeah. Cheers, mate. Yeah, them diffs are much better. Much better, much better. Guys, Unfortunately, I'm now back at the car, as I noticed as I was driving across the field there, I've actually bent that hinge pin again. It's never going to last, to be honest, but yeah, the hinge pins on these are very, very weak. So I will be doing the M2C hinge pin upgrade on this, drilling the front of the chassis out. But yeah, that is it for this car today, guys. But I am going to run the MT10 next, so stay tuned.
Bye, have a great time. Bye-bye, see you soon.